So what you got to understand about the tires that came with your car is the manufacturer requires them to be made a certain way, and that is very soft. Now, soft compound rubber in a tire is going to wear out quicker. However, it's going to ride really nice. So if the car rides really nice, there's a better chance of you buying it. Now, you know, I've seen people buy brand new vehicles, 5,000 miles, they rotate the tires, and the tires wear out so soon. They think they're doing the right thing, but in turn, it doesn't work out that way. The other thing is that the manufacturer is going to keep the cost of manufacturing the tire down, and by this, the tire is made a little bit cheaper of a softer compound. It's not going to last that long. Hold on a second, I want to show you an example, okay? Okay, so you're looking at this vehicle, and this has 18,000 miles on it, and I've seen this car since, you know, it was shortly after the customer bought the car. And I don't know if you can see it right here, but there's the wear bar right there. The wear bar is a raised portion of the tire. As soon as that contacts the road, the tire is considered rubbish. 18,000 miles on a 2018 vehicle, and it needs tires this soon is kind of a hard pill to swallow. But the tires that you replace these with will last much longer. That's the good side. Anyway, before you buy a car, you might want to look into the cost of replacing the tires might be. The price of tires today isn't cheap, especially once you get up to 18, 19, 20-inch tires. It might be a good idea for you to price tires before you buy that car. Anyway, until next time, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and drive safely, of course. Almost forgot to mention, okay, so the tire manufacturer is different from the automotive manufacturer warranty. So if you want to make some kind of claim that you shouldn't have to pay for tires so soon, you're going to want to contact the tire manufacturer. If you look into your owner's manual area of your glove box, there may be a fold-out, basically, or a small booklet stating the tire manufacturer and the warranty. Maybe they can help you out with some kind of reimbursement, maybe not, but it's worth a shot. See ya.